I mean, it's really interesting. If they do more with the desktop and the gaming platform, they've got the gaming bit nailed. But if they could give a user a really good experience on the desktop, I think that's a huge step forward for everybody. Anyway, what we do now, I sort of run a load of games on this in GameScope and captured them, and I run a load of games on Omarchy in GameScope and captured them. And obviously, it's exactly the same hardware. And what we can see from that is, is that what was it called up there? The Neptune kernel tweaked enough to give it a little bit more of a performance boost? Is there more to get from SteamOS, or are you going to be okay to carry on using Omarchy? Do you know what I mean? Is it that big a boost? I mean, it's an interesting note, isn't it, that I tried the Bohr kernel on Catchy and didn't really see any frame improvement, speed improvement. So it'd be interesting to see the Neptune kernel, which is Valve's one, if that gives you much more of an improvement on there. And they must have obviously some other packages on there that tweak it to give it maximum performance, because their idea for their sort of the Steambox is 4K 60 is what they want, but that'll be done with FSR. Now, I've done this on the first time I've done this. I've tested all the games of 4K, so I've maximised the hardware because I wanted to see what would happen if you pushed everything to its limit. Now the 9060 XT isn't a 4K card, but the thing is, I wanted to see if you sort of like medium settings, 4K, and let's see how you deal with it, because it's chucking around a lot of data.